Jeep Wrangler input shaft bearing. It's loose. See how it is? We replace it. First you have to remove over there the plug, okay, that one just with the screwdriver, and after we remove that bolt and like that. There you go. Lift it up. Removing house bolts. If you're lucky. And two of them, the opposite side is just a little bit screws back. That's the one came off. And flip it over. And after that, take it out the bed housing gently. Like so. Okay. And that is what you want to take it off, and take it off the bearing and replace it. So that's not biggie. I just have 4 torques and punch it out. And after that, the bearing holder, the shells is just here. One side, other, there's no more. So right now we punch it this way. So like that. There you go. Snap ring and press it out, press it back. That's it, done. So here we go. Just because it's Christmas coming and the delivery and the parts ordering, it's a little bit difficult. So this is an input shaft. This bearing is here, and this roller bearing is sitting here. You know, I didn't feel it's bad or something on this, but we just ordered it too, and of course change the seals. So that's it. Everything, you press it back, don't forget the snap ring back, and just put it back to the bolts. So everything in back order. You see that before. That's a simple job, but not simple job. You need to pay attention, but that's it. So yeah, there you go. This is how is the Jeep Oh, actually, if you want, this is a Mercedes transmission. Just let you know, okay? Chrysler buy it.